you're experiencing Roblox Matchmaking Error 2025, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or websites to confirm that your internet is not the issue. Step 2. Restart Roblox. Close the Roblox application completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Clear cache. Clear the cache of your browser or the Roblox app. For browsers, you can usually find this option in the settings menu under privacy. For the app, you may need to uninstall and reinstall it to clear the cache. Step 4. Update Roblox. Make sure that you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Check for updates in the App Store or the Roblox website, as outdated versions can lead to matchmaking errors. Step 5. Check server status. Visit the Roblox status page or community forums to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the server is down, you may need to wait until they are back online to resolve the error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the matchmaking error and get back to enjoying your Roblox experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.